Hello dear friends, I'm delighted to share with you the latest and hottest topic globally, quantum entanglement. Quantum entanglement has just won the Nobel Prize. As early as over a century ago, Nikola Tesla, revered as the father of electromagnetism, discovered that everything is composed of energy vibrating at certain frequencies. So, what is a longitudinal scalar wave? It's a type of superenergy five-dimensional wave in which the direction of vibration is parallel to the direction of propagation. It can penetrate through any substance in the universe. It can store the frequency of matter on a holographic chip through programming, and can be applied in healthcare, allowing people to maintain their health without relying on medication or injections. It has been hailed by major media outlets as the future of the third medicine. The Warren's Love Quantum Bracelet is developed by a national-level research team led by Warren Hanchey of the United States, AID, which has spent 15 years on successful research and development. It combines Western science and Eastern medicine technologies, storing information programmed into scalar waves into chips. It is 100% safe, reliable, stable, effective, and has no side effects. Developed and manufactured jointly by Global Attraction Corporation and AID, the Warren's Love Quantum Bracelet is exclusively marketed worldwide by Global Attraction, leveraging a comprehensive global cross-border e-commerce network. Launched first in Taiwan on May 20, 2022, it officially debuted globally on May 18, 2023. We are fortunate to be at the forefront of this worldwide trend and have access to one of the hottest products and strongest business opportunities. We are all fortunate early birds who seize the opportunity and win at the starting line. The Warren's Love Quantum Bracelet features two holographic chips, a larger one designed to receive scalar wave messages, and a smaller one storing information on over 100 precious Chinese herbs, acupuncture details, and biological information on meridians and acupoints. Its mechanism of action involves activating the body's biological energy when worn by the user, coupled with adequate water intake. Once activated, it initiates high-frequency resonance with cells, occurring approximately 100 million times per second. This rapid activation and resonance process help awaken and stimulate cells. As a result, the body's temperature gradually increases. When the body temperature rises by about 1 degree Celsius, it indicates that the immune system's strength will increase by approximately 6 times. It provides 4 major benefits to the human body. Activates and revitalizes cell vitality, enhancing mitochondrial power, increases metabolic capacity, initiating optimal microcirculation throughout the body for 24-hour blood and qi circulation. When there is pain, there is blockage. When there is no blockage, there is no pain. When the meridians are unobstructed, the whole body feels relaxed. Reduces blood viscosity, transforming thick blood into clear circulation. 4. It can balance the nervous system and improve our sleep quality. Scientists' research data shows that 86% of people experience sensations after using it for 1 hour. However, the lack of sensation in some individuals does not necessarily mean it is not functioning. It could be due to insufficient water intake or may require wearing it for a longer period. Individual constitution and physical condition vary, leading to different responses. Warren's Love Quantum Bracelet differs significantly from typical energy bracelet products in principle. Conventional energy products, whether far infrared, negative ions, germanium, peptides, graphene, and so on, all rely on the energy of the material itself. They propagate as transverse waves and can be obstructed by matter. Longitudinal scalar waves can penetrate through any substance in the universe. They serve as the body's power source, activating cells for 24 hours, promoting smooth circulation of qi and blood, and leaving us feeling refreshed and energized throughout the day. Since its launch, there have been countless miracles happening every day, bringing health and happiness to many people and families. We are filled with gratitude and appreciation. The quantum wristband brand introduced by Global Attraction Company is Warren's Love, Our Love. Inspired by boundless love, the world needs love. Let's all pass on this great love together, help more people, and fill the world with love. Join us now and experience the vibrant Warren's Love, Our Love. This trend-setting product is full of vitality and speaks volumes about its effectiveness.